What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's Diana. In today's video I'm gonna be challenging myself, here we go again, to do the most jump ropes in 1 minute. I'm gonna try to do this because I do jump rope, but I usually do alternate jump ropes. Also, I'm learning how to jump rope tricks and all of that, so I'm very excited. I want to see how my calves feels, how my body feels, how my heart rate goes, like how fast, and see if I can do the most in 1 minute, how many jump ropes I can do in 1 minute. I never tested out, so let's see. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me here, and let's go. Press play. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2, 3, 54, 55, 56, 7, 8, 59, 70. Woo! 70. I did 70. 70 jumping, 70 jump ropes. Why do I do this? This hurts. This is hard. Right, so now I figured out that doing this exercise, this challenge, I can work on my rhyme, my body, my footwork, and my timing, because you gotta keep jump rope is very coordination. So this is really good to do these types of exercises. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, follow me for more, and I hope you guys tried this challenge at home. This is so fun, and wait for more challenges. So see you in the next video. Bye.